What's up guys, welcome to Colombo, Sri Lanka. We came back here to the amazing capital city of this wonderful island, Sri Lanka, and today we want to see what we can get for $20 US or 7,380 Sri Lankan rupees. Let's go and find out, come on.
We haven't had any breakfast yet, so our first stop today is going to be the Royal Bakery, which has been an institution here since 1906, and it seems to be quite a popular place here with the locals. So we're just going to try and see what type of short eats maybe we can get this morning in this beautiful bakery. Oh, looks like they have quite some selection there. So for breakfast today we got 2 chicken rolls and 2 quiche Lorraines, and it was 460 rupees, which is about $1.24 I believe, and it's the perfect little breakfast to keep us strong and keep us going for the rest of the day. Yes.
Perfect way to start the day, guys, and for less than $1.50, this volume of food for breakfast on the go, a little bit of street food. There's no better way to start the day, especially here in Sri Lanka, because in Sri Lanka they do street food extremely well. I'm gonna give this little puff pastry a try. Oh my god. It's kind of filled with onions, a little bit of chicken, and as always, a hefty kick of spice in there as well. Very tasty, and as I said, for $1.25 you cannot go wrong. What a way to start off today's $20 challenge here in Colombo, Sri Lanka. These chicken rolls are absolutely delicious, and you can find these kind of all over Sri Lanka. You'll find them in chicken form. They also have fish rolls, and you can also get vegetable rolls as well. All of them will have their own sort of unique mix of spices, but just for one of these you're only going to pay around 100 rupees, which is roughly around 25 cents, and it's a perfect snack while you're on the go.
We need something sweet now, and it's also really hot today, so we decided to come to Rio Ice Cream, which is a very popular ice cream shop or chain here in Sri Lanka, and we haven't actually tried it yet, so let's go right in.
Alright guys, so we're here now in Rio Ice Cream, and I decided to go for what is called the jumbo ice cream, and it is absolutely jumbo sized. You have multiple flavors: chocolate, strawberry, I think maybe a mango, vanilla, and a yellow flavor, maybe like a lemon sorbet type flavor. You also have a whole bunch of jelly inside, and it looks out of this world. I cannot wait to try it. I myself am a big ice cream fan, so I'm very excited to try this. And what did you get?
I went with the mango sundae, which is also massive. I'm not so much of an ice cream person, but I'm sure today, because of how hot it is, I'm going to enjoy it anyway. And in total, for both of these massive ice creams, we spent 1,100 rupees, which is $2.98. And right now we are at the second place. I'm already wondering how we are going to spend $20 today. I don't know.
Yeah guys, we have quite a bit of money left over, so we're gonna see where it takes us. But for now, we're gonna enjoy our amazing ice creams here at Rio Ice Cream.
Oh my god, this is amazing. I think I might convert to being an ice cream person. This is so tasty.
I'm gonna give my one a try as well, guys. So as I said, I went for the jumbo ice cream, which is just basically a cluster of a whole bunch of different flavors. So I'm gonna mix a few flavors in together. I also have some chopped nuts on there on top. So cheers guys, cheers to Sri Lanka, and cheers to this $20 challenge here in Colombo. Oh my god. Wow, the flavors of that ice cream are out of this world. and I have literally around half a kilo of ice cream sitting in front of me.
I really want to try the Jello as well. Very interesting. I don't know what type of a flavor it is. It's just green. I don't know. Maybe some sort of a fruit, but I'm not sure.
Some type of a gummy bear flavor maybe. The ice cream itself is very, very soft, very smooth and milky. And then I also have a nice crunchy wafer as well. Alright guys, so after that incredible ice cream and the amazing breakfast that we had too, we have still a little bit over $15. Can you believe it? Over $15 left to go. So we still have a long day ahead of us. There's plenty more to explore here in Colombo with that kind of money.
And while we are walking to the next place, I would like to mention two things. First of all, keep in mind that you can do things more expensive or cheaper as well, depending on your own preferences. We are literally just walking down a road and trying to find random shops at the moment, just to give you an idea of what you can do with $20. And also $20 for locals in Sri Lanka is quite a bit of money. So if you would talk to a local person, they would probably be able to keep going for several days, probably a week or two, with that $20. So $20 is a lot of money. Obviously, we're just trying to show tourists how far you can get with your money here in Colombo.
So guys, we're feeling pretty sleepy after all the food that we had. So now we're at the Java Lounge here in Colombo. We're going to try and get some caffeine with the money that we have left over. Let's go and check it out. So guys, we had a fantastic little time there in the Java Lounge. We basically had 2 cappuccinos and a nice chilled bottle of water as well. It was a really nice environment. It kind of almost felt like a Costa Coffee or a Starbucks type of a vibe like we have back in Europe. So that was a nice little bit of change of pace. We got to relax, do a little bit of people watching as well. Now the total cost for the 2 cappuccinos, medium size, and the chilled bottle of water came to 1,795 rupees. Now that is a little bit more on the expensive side. For coffee, you obviously can spend a lot less on coffee here in Colombo. We decided to go for a little bit more of a nicer experience. Plus, we're actually trying to get through this money and it's almost proving difficult at this stage. But 1,795 rupees is $4.86.
And this cute little cafe place was so nice as well. I even got a little bit emotional because of how Christmassy it was. Now there was like nice Christmas music running in the back, which is why we weren't filming, and they had a lot of decoration going on as well. I haven't been home for Christmas in 3 years, I want to say. I think it's 3 years now, so yeah, it's a little bit more on the emotional side, but also very nice to actually get some Christmas feeling here.
All right guys, so it's a little bit later on in the day. We actually went back to our accommodation here in Colombo, had a little bit of a rest, midday nap if you will, but now we're ready to go and finish off this $20 challenge. We're actually gonna go and get some more food. We're gonna go and have some nice dinner.
All right, you guys, we're trying really hard to spend all of that money. So now we went to an Indian place and we got some nice butter paneer. We got garlic chicken, some naan bread, obviously a bottle of water, and the rice is currently being prepared in the kitchen. So we are going to have some nice white rice with cumin seeds. From what I remember, and this is going to be so delicious. Actually, it looks so nice. I cannot wait to dig in.
So yeah guys, the name of this restaurant is called The Chat Co, and it's Indian street eat style. And basically we got rice, 2 curry dishes and a butter naan. We're gonna jump in and give it a taste test now. So this is kind of like the final leg of this $20 challenge. And both of us are actually feeling pretty hungry now because, as I said, we had a nap. So Naomi is currently loading up her plate full of rice. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, I'm already starting to dig in after that rest. We're actually a little bit hungry, so I'm really looking forward to this. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of everything, basically. A little bit of everything is always the best way to do things, I feel like. Okay, got a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Let's try the naan first. That's always the part that I'm super, oh, it's actually really hot. That's the part that I'm always super excited about is the naan. Take some nice butter paneer with it. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. I love it. We just got some papadums out of the kitchen as well, and just to give you an idea what the texture of a papadum is, listen to this. Yes, it's perfect. It gives such a nice crunch to every single rice and curry dish. So what you want to do, just load up your fork or hand, depending on how you eat, with some rice and curry, and then perfect crunch to any dish that you might eat. It's so tasty. And the rice as well that we have, the rice is mixed with cumin seeds. As I said before, it is so fragrant, it's beautiful, so tasty.
Guys, that meal was absolutely delicious, and the total of that entire meal came to just over 3,000 rupees, so 3080. But it was absolutely out of this world, incredibly delicious. Both of us are very full and very happy as well.
And believe it or not, we actually still have 1,000 rupees left. So we failed at the $20 challenge because we're so full. Obviously now we could go out and buy some clothes or something like that, or vegetables, but we wouldn't use it. So we're just going to go and give the 1,000 rupees to some people in the street that might need it.
We're going to go and distribute the 1,000 rupees out to some local people, hopefully, that will need it. So let's go. Thank you. Wow guys, okay, so we had an epic fail at trying to spend $20 in Colombo, Sri Lanka in 2022.
Nevertheless, we had a fantastic day and we love Colombo so much, which is why we wanted to do another video while we're stopping here. And actually tomorrow we're going to a place that we haven't shown you at all so far on our channel, so we cannot wait to show you that as well.
Yeah, it's a little bit further south from here. We're very excited to show you guys. We actually went with the rest of the money that we had and just handed it out to 4 different locals, so hopefully we gave them something that they can use for a little bit of food or whatever. But yeah, a little bit of a feel-good ending to this video. $20 in Colombo, the challenge we totally failed. Just shows you guys, if you're coming here as a tourist, your money, if you're using dollars or euros or yen even, is gonna go a lot longer here than it will in your home country. So check out Sri Lanka.
100%, I couldn't agree more. But for now, that's all from our side.
My name is Luke.
My name is Naomi.
We are the 2 Mad Explorers.
And this is your reminder to keep exploring.
See you guys in the next Sri Lankan adventure.
Stuti for watching.
Stuti, bye bye.